What if I told you that now you can just say @Canva inside Google Gemini and ask it to create a design for you? Yes, you heard me right. You can literally go into the Google Gemini and type your prompt and tag Canva to make a design. Or सबसे interesting part, you can also edit this particular design whatever you have generated inside the Google Gemini in just a few prompts. That means the design is not generated, it becomes something you can actually edit inside the Canva. And honestly, this is where things start getting really exciting. So in today's video, we are going to talk about Canva's new integration with Google Gemini. And this is not just another AI feature update. This feels like a more workflow update because now the process become much simpler. Instead of jumping between tools, testing prompts in one app, then recreating the output in somewhere else, you can now start in Gemini and move into Canva much more smoother way. मुझे personally ये workflow काफी powerful लगा because as a creator, designer or even a non-designer, this can save a lot of time. So let's try it and see how things works inside the Google Gemini. So let's get started. So now as you can see here, we are on our laptop screen. All you have to do is just go into the Gemini and you can see the interface looks like this. Now you can just click on the settings and click on this personal intelligence. So here you can see connected apps. So I can just click on this arrow and you will see, just scroll a little down and you will see the Canva here. So first time when you are connecting, just enable this. It will ask this question, just click on connect. Because I have done my authentication already with the Canva, so it is not asking me. But whenever you are doing first time, it will ask some questions, so you can just fill it. Now you can see I'm just going back and add a new chat. Okay, so let's create a Instagram post design for a coffee shop Monday motivation campaign in Canva and @Canva. Okay, this is my prompt. I can just send it and let's see what it will generate. So as you can see here, we have the 4 options which is generated by the Canva, and I like these two a lot. So I'm just clicking on this one and you can see it is opening right inside my Canva design editor. You can see even I can move this curve. You can see all the things I can edit, or if you want make some adjustment manually, just select the text, changing the color, and you can just see and apply your brand kit also. You can do it easily. All the things you can do in one single go inside the Canva. That's how cool it is. You can just paste @Canva after your design request. It will create a design inside this. But here is something crazy use case I will tell you. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm able to generate an image by using Nano Banana model, and once I have the image or the design ready, I will make it editable by using Canva's magic layer inside the Canva and make edit changes. So you can generate the image by using Nano Banana and make it editable inside the Canva. So what you need to do, I am just pasting my prompt here. It is just to vintage album cover, and I have described Sunbeam as a brand name. Also the color is warm tone and aspect ratio is 16:9. You can provide any, like for the Instagram 4:5 is enough. So I'm just sending it and let's see what it will generate. So as you can see, it has generated this amazing design in the warm tone with the Sunbeam brand name. Also the size is 16:9. So let's make it editable in Canva. So for that I will ask Canva, can you make it editable? And let's see. Okay, so you can see now it is converted our design into the Canva. So I can just click on this link and it will directly open a design which is available in Canva. So if I want to make any adjustment, like here I can just change my brand name to Sun Okay, so you can see here even I can do adjustment like increase the size, decrease the size. Also I can move the elements around this one, you can see, and also even the small detail you can see this one I can able to change. And this cosmic harvest, sonic journey, all things are editable now. You can see each and every layer in your layer panel. So how cool it is, like if you are generating your design inside the Canva or inside Gemini or any AI tool like Claude or ChatGPT, you can just type at the rate Canva, can you please make it editable? It will do things for you. And honestly, this feels like the kind of update where designers say, wait, up the prompt tree copy hai, and then 5 minutes later they say, okay, but Canva ने इसको better कर दिया, right? जैसा कि अभी अपने प्रोसेस में देखा, एंड दैट्स द वाइब एक्चुअली, बिकॉज जेमिनाई गिव्स यू द स्पार्क एंड कैनवा गिव्स यू द फिनिशिंग पावर. एक तरह से जेमिनाई आइडिया दे रहा है एंड कैनवा उस आइडिया को प्रॉपर डिज़ाइन में कन्वर्ट कर रहा है. दैट कॉम्बिनेशन इज प्रीटी डेंजरस in a good way. So overall I think Canva and Google Gemini integration is really interesting step. It is not just about AI generating prettier visuals, it is about making the workflow smoother, faster and more editable, which we actually need. So yes, this is definitely one of those updates that I think creator, marketer and designers should keep eye on it. Let's try it, test it and see how far this workflow can go. And honestly, this is just a beginning, my friend. So that was my take on Canva's Google Gemini integration. What do you think? Is this actually useful or just another shiny AI update? Let me know your thoughts in comment section. I am reading every single comment whatever you are doing, so let me know your thoughts and do the subscribe on this channel, because which motivates us to create amazing content. So till then, take care of yourself, tata and bye bye, see you into the amazing video. Bye.